This is Akshit again and welcome to my channel Behavior Worst Warriors. So today we're doing two episodes, episode 15 and episode 16 spoiler. So I'm very sorry for the wait. I had some unit test and I had to prepare for that. Now it's over. But after few days I'll have exams too, so I don't think I'll be able to upload after that. Like after something like in July 29th, I guess I won't be able to upload episodes and all. Sorry for that. So let's start with this video. So before we start this video, we hope that you subscribe our channel and even tap the bell icon so that you don't miss out any cool videos of this channel. And even don't forget to check out the other channels like Among Us Journeys. So now we'll come to episode 15. It's I can say in a very short summary what happened. I'm not uploading any pictures and all. I'm sorry for that. And by the way, I forgot to say this. If I really don't want to be a spoiler, so if you want to watch the episodes, the link is there in the description below. You can download Telegram app, which is around 20 MB, and you can watch the episodes. Every Friday they'll upload Dynamite episodes, even the previous seasons too. So now, episode 15. What happened? We saw in episode 14. We made a spoiler, and we ended in the way when uh, Basara made a Road Bahamut, made a new bay called Road Bahamut, and now in episode 15 he shows it to Bell, Ranso and all, and then they are all shocked that it's a dynamite bay and all, because we all know that Basara had a sparking bay, and not just that, they both are different types. Death Solomon was a balance and Road Bahamut is a defense. So it's kind of shocking for every baby fans. Okay. Now he battled Bell first, and he really won it. Everyone, it was really like Bell was trying his whole hard work. Even Belial, they both were always going for the attack, but not even a scratch happened to the Road Bahamut. It was very strong, and even through the moment driver, it always used to come back to the center. Even if you keep on hitting, it comes back to the center again, and then it bursted Belial. And now then Bell was really depressed. He was sad. First we saw that Basara was very sad because he always was losing to everyone, and now Bell, because he lost to Ranso. We all know that he lost many times. Sometimes to Ranso when Ranso got his new bay, and then he lost to Free de la Hoya, and then he lost to Walt. So and now he lost to Basara. He's kind of really sad. He's very depressed now. So he went to the training session and of the BC Soul, and then he saw Walt and Rashad. They were going for the battle, and then both of them were shocked. Walt and Basara. Even most of the Beirut fans will be shocked. Even I also was shocked that Rashad got a new bay. Like sorry, the same bay, Savior Valkyrie, but with a different color, right? I was thinking that it was going to be Brave Valkyrie, many of us, and but turned out to be, he again evolved it, and with a new launcher, the same launcher but in red color. It makes us think that really Rashad likes Valdrek and Walt a lot. Same like me, I'm a big fan of Walt and Valdrek. And after that comes Shu, Free, Louis, Iger, like other all Beyblade characters. And now episode 15, this was a very short summary, and now episode 16, we come back to episode 16. Now they were shocked. Now they were going to battle, and Walt was thinking about his memories when Rashad joined BC Soul. uh, Rashad really loved Walt, and he really wanted to become like Walt, and he wanted a bad track. We are in the memories and all. You can see the episode and you'll get to know. And then now both of them are gonna battle, and then it sure was the best dynamite battle. This Walt versus Rashad, Valtrek was Valtrek, or you can say Valkyrie was Valkyrie, which is in the Japanese actually. The original Valkyrie was Valkyrie in Japanese. So we saw that um, really Rashad was good, but Walt was bound with his bay was way more than Rashad's, because Rashad just got Savior Valkyrie very early, and Walt, he He didn't have. He also got Save Valkyrie very early, but he had Victory Valtrek way more earlier than that. He had he always had a bond with Valtrek, all the Valtreks, and he always used to resonate with them. So he is way more experienced than Rashid. And he, what do you think? Who wins? He won it. Walt wins it. And Rashid tried his best, and um, then after that, both of them took their base and touched their base. Yeah, knocked out, like just simply for fun. And like in the first season we saw that. I can still remember in the first season, Walt and Shu, when Spryzen and Valtrek, when they promised that they'll battle in the finals, they both took their base and uh, shook them. They both touched their base, like uh, they took the bay, went and hit the Walt took his Valtrek and went and hit Spryzen, just like, not was just for fun, just a promise. And it's just a promise that they wanted to battle, but turned out to be the opposite. Louis won it. We all know that it was very sad, and then Louis again wins it with Walt. Now in the episode 16, yeah, let's come back to that. Walt wins it, and then Bill was like, he was like, kind of, I don't know, he was like kind of annoyed, because he was always thinking that why do people like Valtrek more and all, but we all know that why we like Valtrek more. And he's just a new beginner. He doesn't know the WBBA and the Bladers and all. So now, so he thought to create a new, he thought to modify his Belial, thought to put a new upgrade. And then he kept, I forgot the name, he kept a circular kind of thing on his tip. It's kind of helpful, I guess. Yeah, I'm thinking that it will be good for, like, when he go, he can do some sudden attacks and all, like kinetic setum, curse set, and their tips. They have that ball, but this is not a ball thing. This just a circular thing. It might be able to change its trajectory, or it might be able to give it some boost. We all don't know that, but we'll be able to see. So that's all for the video. We hope that you like the video, and you can give a big thank you by just giving a big thumbs up, like for putting the links and putting the spoiler, and by commenting down, and by subscribing our channel. And don't forget to tap the bell icon so that you don't miss out any spoiler alert or any battling video. And guys, one more surprise is there today. I'm not gonna say it now, but you will get to know it. Okay, that's all. Bye bye.